right, so we're gonna finish up our lunch here. We wanna get our skewers on the grill. And we're gonna hit that with a little bit of fresh chopped ginger, garlic, some Thai chili peppers, and some thyme. And plenty of olive oil, because mushrooms just love to soak up fat. Beef fat, duck fat, olive oil, butter, likes it all. And if you remember our soup over there, we need some nice hot grilled bread, mushroom and oyster, and the vegetarian chili. We're gonna get our Kansas City halibut steaks on there. Everything's better over an open fire, so they say anyway. All right, and then we'll let that kind of cook, and then we'll finish that on there. A little bit of kosher salt on these, a little bit of black pepper. And we get a nice char on those, on the peppers, the onions, the mushrooms, and then a little bit more olive oil. And while those are cooking, Howard Burke, president and co-founder, I believe is his title, of LJ Mushrooms, is here. Say a couple words.
Real fancy title. So we grow shiitake and oyster mushrooms currently. We will soon be growing lion's mane in the next couple months, hopefully. We're working with Kennesaw State University to bring a smart container to the farm, which will hopefully help optimize all of our growths, so we have a more productive harvest, more uniform harvest. Currently, as you can see behind us, we are in double layer greenhouses, which sometimes slow down production based upon the temperature, the wind, or the rain. But with the smart container, it should optimize growing, which we'll see which one works out better. So we're looking forward to that. Currently, we have 9 greenhouses. We really are excited to grow mushrooms. Our plan is to get the local schools and other schools here in Georgia and all over the state, if they'd love to come and help change one taste bud at a time. All about giving back to the community. We're trying to build our team here from Gilmer High School. Some of the students that just graduated, we bring them to the farm or try to employ them. So we really like to stay local with our food and our employees. One other thing we really focus on is, we know it's that we are zero waste, in a sense where every mushroom, whether it goes in someone's tummy or fell on the floor, it's used. So if the end of the cycle of our mushroom logs, we take them up to our compost site, which is up that hill, which we'll be seeing later, and we turn it into amazing, healthy compost, which then other farmers will use. The vineyards in LJ use it so that we can give back to the earth and make it more nutrient. Yeah. So what is, Chef John, what's your favorite thing to do with our shiitake mushrooms?
But like I was saying earlier, the shiitake mushroom is probably my favorite mushroom to work with. It's the most versatile. The shelf life is amazing. So if you don't get to them right away, they're still good. But picking them today and cooking them today, it really is like any other thing. It's a different ingredient when you're that close to the source. So, but my favorite thing about these is the relationship. Is getting to know Howard, his staff, hanging out here. We're staying in the mushroom house tonight. We stayed there last night, had a great evening, met some folks downtown, some restaurant owners. We're gonna donate a halibut to Emily's tonight and see if we can duplicate the mushroom crusted halibut in an a la carte setting. It's the relationships.
Yeah,
this is a good one. This is exactly what we wanted to do.
Our mushroom relationship started with Bill Green from the Common Market when they came up to show our farm and show kind of what we do with our staff and our team and how we take care of our environment and our people and the way we care about each mushroom. And we wanted to show that off as much as we can. So we're thankful for Bill Green and the Common Market for their continued support. And then we have a new customer and a new friend. So we're very thankful for that. Now it's time to eat. I just want to thank Chef John for this opportunity to come to LJ Mushrooms and cook our amazing farm team, which is behind us, that makes this possible. If we didn't have our team, we would not have any mushrooms. So I'm very thankful for you guys' gratitude and for you and your team coming out to cook us this amazing meal and share it with our friends and family. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome. Thank you, Howard, for the friendship, and thank you very much for letting us be in your way all day. I hope that evens it a little bit. So we have the blackened halibut on the end here. Some grilled halibut. It's not pretty, but it's delicious. The char on there is very nice. Thai chilies, a little bit of ginger, garlic, and thyme on the mushrooms, onions, and peppers. They have a nice char. Those should be good. They look really good anyway. And then yeah, they're good. The chili is vegan. The Thai chilies are thick. Vegan Thai mushroom chili, smoked oyster mushroom soup, and some grilled bread. How'd that one still highlight?
Dig in.